Hey everybody, welcome back to Ryan Makes Sense. Today we are looking at ticker symbol ADT. This is a viewer requested video, so we're gonna go ahead and check it out and see what's going on. This is a $7 stock, and if you bought it back in 2018, you are basically even, unfortunately. So I hope they offer a dividend. Let me just open my thing here. We'll get it pulled up on my advanced. Damn. I don't know when I reviewed this last, but it is holding very true. Um, so we'll do some nice technical, some deeper technical analysis, but I want to run through the potential stop price first because I mean, this is a almost a penny stock. A penny stock to me is under $5 and it makes billions of dollars. They make billions of dollars. Ooh, quick ratio is less than 1. So yeah, we'll run our numbers, see what we come up with. So they have a $6,720,000,000 market cap, which is absolutely cool. They do 673,528,000 in income. Plus they do 5,260,000,000 in sales. Obviously very cool. Okay. Just looking quickly, gross margins, that is absolutely disgusting beautiful. Sales past 5 years, 1%. Hopefully that's turning around. EPS is 25%. Uh, Average volume. I mean, everything else looks pretty decent, honestly. No red flags yet. The chief business officer bought $30,000 worth. It's a decent amount, I guess. Quarterly balance sheet. Looking at Q1 data. So we have plus 118,700,000. Okay, total debt is that's a lot of debt. 7,647,910,000. That's pretty gnarly. And their debt, I mean, overall looks like it was trending down, but then it picked back up a smidge. Cash is okay. Okay, total assets 15.9 billion, total liabilities 12.2 billion. That's about a 3.7 billion dollar buffer, which is okay. Um, it's okay. Yeah, let's go back up and finish off our calculation. Divide this by 412,310,000. I do just want to say caveat, this company does offer a dividend, so whatever price we get on this calculation, it should be lower because the company has given away some of their cash flow to shareholders as a dividend. So our calculated stock price is $12.42, which is decent up here. So they're giving away 2.5%. See what Finviz did with their updated dividend data here, it's very confusing. It's very hard to tell if this is for the annual or for the year. So you actually know what? I know how to figure that out. I know how to figure that out pretty quick, actually. So this stock offer, I'm extremely tired, offers typically around a 5-6% dividend. Okay, so we're gonna say they're giving away 2.51%. So times 0.0251. So they're giving away 311,000, if that makes sense. So basically, yeah, this stock price is around $12 comfortably. Um, we're gonna look and see what institutions are doing. ADT. So we're gonna let that load. Just really quickly, they're on pace for, let's see what they're on pace for. Quarterly income. Q1, wow, 1.2, ooh, a big miss when you compare it to last year. They did 1.6 billion in Q1. This year they did 1.2. About a $400 million decrease. That's pretty big. This is actually the lowest revenue in a while. Let's see. This might be the lowest revenue since 2018, 2017, unfortunately. Um, oh, so they're doing, I'm sorry, I keep going back and forth. 1.209, 1209 times 4, about 480, 4.83 billion. So they keep decreasing ever since 2020. They have not reversed. So I think it might be safe to say, hold off temporarily. We're gonna do a couple things here. Yeah. Okay, hold off. We looks like we are in an ascending wedge where basically this stock definitely needs to break above here to continue upward. We're also gonna do 1721 was the all-time high. I need to adjust that. This was our nearest all-time low. This was 489. Okay, we're just gonna do some quick adjustments and then we're gonna analyze 1721, and this is gonna be 489. Okay. All right, you're probably like, Ryan, what's going on? Okay, so look, this is the magic of Fibonacci. Look at how this candle kisses. It doesn't French kiss it. It gives it a nice little peck on the cheek right there. Okay. Then we see this candle respecting the Fibonacci line, this red line. This candle respecting the line. Look at this precise French kiss right here. This stock broke above, but it had perfect resistance. Then this stock tried to go and move upward. It didn't. This one fell through at resistance. Beautiful resistance, extreme respect, 10 out of 10 respect. And look at this. This is a beautiful kiss right on the lips of this inner ring. And let me just kind of zoom out. Whoops. Whoops. No, remove, remove, remove. Sorry. I left off right here. Beautiful kiss on the lips. Again, it tests it. It confirms it says there. It comes back and says, hey, don't forget about this Fibonacci line. So this Fibonacci pattern is very important. I think ADT has a couple years to get their poop in a group because literally we have an apex right here. I mean, the stock could continue to trend, but then eventually it's going to start hitting this right there. Um, so that's fantastic, honestly. Looking at looking at 341 now. This is our BTFD, pound the table. Whoops. This is our make some mother frickin' money moves zone. This, if we bought in this zone on the first go ahead, we would have went from 341 to 17. If we would have bought down here at 480, we would have went to 784. So yeah. You just gotta. Potential targets for the next move. Are gonna be, we could probably make it right there. Extend to the right, extend to the right. We're gonna make this purple again and thick, thicker than a Snicker. Okay, so I think on the potential next expanded move up, we could see this get as high as 25 plus. And my calculation, I forgot what it was 12. Um, could do that. And I only say that, and I do stick by it. The shares outstanding is 867, and the shares float are 412, meaning half of the float is being organically purchased by people like you and me and hedge funds and institutions. Not saying they're like us, but the money, obviously, we don't have millions and billions to spend on a single stock. So, institutions and hedge funds, old data says they had 38.6%. New data says 92%. What? What am I missing? What am I missing? Ah, can that be right? A 100% increase? I mean, what's the volume? That's a lot of volume. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I mean, did we just uncover something? Wow. So let me do a couple things here for a second. Okay. Vanguard owns 35.4 million shares. And they added to their position. They added 10% to their position. BlackRock owns 12.5 and they added 13% to their position. Yo, um, I mean, this momentum says it's hot. So it literally could, money flow's heading up, strength is heading up. I mean, this could be a mover now. This could be a mover. I mean, it's been literally consolidating between $5 and $8 for about a year. Oh, less, more, no, about a year now. Um, and yeah, every time it's fallen below this blue support, like over here and right here, it's come back. So I think I like this medium term. Could this be the move that triggers a move up? I think it actually could. And I say that, okay, you know what? I just noticed something too. Look at this record level volume here, 4 months in a row. That's really, really good. That's that's really good. I want to try something here really quick. 836,842. I'm getting the shares owned by institutions. I'm going to divide it by our 867. 96% ownership. Yo, yo, I need to buy this tomorrow. So, I need to get some affairs in order, but yo, I've got my thinking glasses on. This is insane. I mean, it's undervalued, extremely undervalued in the future. EPS past 5 years, 25%. I mean, dude, they're paying down their debt. Quick ratio scares me, but I mean, their assets to liabilities are perfect. Um, Great volume. Dude, I'm buying this one. So I'm going to buy this on my long-term portfolio. So you'll see me give you an update on this on Monday, because that's whenever my money clears into my account. So you'll see me post this on July 8th, probably guaranteed. So yeah. All right. That's my analysis of ADT. Whoever, there was a viewer who requested this, whoever did that, thank you, because yeah, yeah. Anyway, consider subscribing, consider leaving a comment. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, stay tuned. Have a great day. Have a great weekend.